In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Tutor LMS cart and checkout not working, Woocommerce. If your Tutor LMS cart looks blank, won't load, or the checkout just spins, the issue is almost always that Woocommerce doesn't know which pages to use for cart and checkout. Tutor LMS relies on Woocommerce for the purchase flow, so when those pages aren't mapped correctly, or the pages themselves are broken, the process fails. We'll fix that by confirming the correct pages are assigned and, if needed, recreating clean cart and checkout pages. First, open your WordPress dashboard and go to Woocommerce, then Settings, and click the Advanced tab. Here you'll see the Page Setup area. Make sure Cart Page is set to your Cart page, Checkout Page is set to your Checkout page, and My Account is set to your My Account page. Use the drop-downs to select the correct pages, then click Save Changes. Those assignments tell Woocommerce exactly where to send users during the purchase journey. If they're empty or pointing to the wrong pages, the cart and checkout won't load correctly. If the pages are assigned but you still see a blank or broken cart, the pages themselves might be corrupted or contain the wrong content. In that case, we'll quickly reset them. Go to Pages and then All Pages. Find your current cart and checkout pages and delete them. Don't worry, Woocommerce doesn't store orders on those pages. They're just placeholders that display content. Now create fresh pages. Add a new page and name it Cart. In the editor, insert a shortcode block and paste in the shortcode, Woocommerce Cart. Publish the page. Then create another new page named Checkout. Add a shortcode block and paste, Woocommerce Checkout. Publish that one as well. These shortcodes are the official Woocommerce content for those screens, and adding them to clean pages eliminates hidden formatting issues or conflicting blocks. Once your new pages are published, go back to Woocommerce, Settings, Advanced, and reassign Cart Page to the new Cart page and Checkout Page to the new Checkout page. Click Save Changes. This reassignment is crucial. Woocommerce needs to point to the new clean pages you just created. After saving, the cart and checkout should load properly from both your shop and Tutor LMS course purchase buttons. If you had duplicate cart or checkout pages before, make sure only the newly created ones are assigned and published. This simple reset is one of the most consistent fixes for a blank cart or a checkout that won't load, and it gets Tutor LMS purchases working smoothly again.